Exciting day because 1 week na rin ata since sabi ko bago ako maglabas ng video about this one, gusto ko meron ng results kumbaga. So today, Tyler, tell them our announcement na meron tayong ginawa na ito, ang kagandahan nito guys, hindi ganun kalaki ang puhunan, pero syempre I know some of you guys, you know a lot of history about network marketing already. It has helped me. So, I decided to do it again. This time, with Front Row. Ito yan. Ito yung mga products. Actually, half na yung mga na-deliver ko sa mga kumuha sa atin. So, maganda to kasi guys, syempre, aside dun sa money na i-invest nyo, meron ng products itself. So, ROI na yon, that's on you already. If you wanna sell it, that's up to you. Ganun lang siya guys. So, I did it for more than a week now. So, may payout na tayo. Kaya, ngayon, get ready na tayo para puntahan si Sir Mark Dragon, of course, ang Team Dragon, para kunin ang ating first ever check sa Front Row. So, nakakatuwa lang, I invested 45,000 pesos and I think I'll be getting around 40,000 on my first week. So almost break even na tayo, almost ROI na tayo, and I'm just so excited kasi ngayon nagkaroon ako ulit ng fire to, you know, makipag-usap sa mga tao, and at the same time, Front Row has been here for more than a decade already. Walang issue, walang problem. Kumbaga sa integrity ng company, si Congressman Sam Versosa pa, ito yung picture namin together, na-meet ko siya agad-agad, and very blessed ako kasi ang tagal namin nakapag-usap ni Congressman, and nakita ko yung heart niya kung how much he wants to help, and yun lang guys, sasamahan nyo kami today. Kukunin natin ang first ever check natin sa Front Row. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay sa atin ng opportunity, lalong-lalo kay Kuya Mark. Thank you.
Applied go.
Stop, man.
I
miss you.
I miss you. How are you?
Ay, sama. Nako mo na?
Grabe yung forma mo ngayon ah.
Bro, pulis na ako ngayon.
Ang presidente.
Moment of truth. This is what I'm saying. Hindi masamang mag-add ng additional income. So, most of you guys, we're doing this because I want you guys to be part of the journey na ginagawa natin from scratch. And sinasabi ko naman sa inyo, it doesn't matter if you're an influencer or a normal person, you can do this. So, that's why we're doing it right now. Ito na. May proof. Ito, may legit ha. Baka isipin nyo kasi endorser tayo or kung ano man, legit na nagtatrabaho tayo para sa Front Row. Okay?
At ito yung ating upline. Boss Mark at syempre ang ating chef. Ayala. Hindi lang chef yan. Upline ko din yan. Di ba? Ito na, boss. Ayan na. Okay, ilang linggo lang to? 2 to 3 weeks lang to, no?
Hindi, 1 week yan.
1 week. Ito, 1 week natin. Dalawang cheque natin sa account natin. 10,000 at 28,000. Pangalan ko yan, boss. Ayan.
Si Noel.
Si Noel. Okay, Kuya Mark. Maraming salamat, Kuya.
Weekly yan.
For giving me an opportunity again.
Yes, brother. And sabi ko nga if they're asking why you're doing this, yes. Sabi nga, hindi naman masamang dagdagan yung kinikita. Or kung gusto mo ng extra income, siguro naman, you guys know Dave.
Yes.
He's a businessman, entrepreneur. And gusto lang niya kayo na isama dun sa journey na ginagawa niya. So, you guys are lucky.
Yes. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin, guys. With a minimum of 15,000 to 45,000, you can start this business. Hindi mo kailangan maghanap ngayon ng location.
Business partner na kayo.
Oh, business partner na namin kayo. Makakasama namin kayo. At ang maganda nito, sa restaurant namin, sa Marikina, kung meron naman sa Quezon City, sa restaurant naman ni Kuya Mark at ni Chef. Oh, wala na kayo bang gagawin, guys. Makakasama niya kami on a daily grind. Kasama natin si Yumi, sila Renny J. Marami pa tayong influencers na isasama. Sila Pio ng Team Tambay, kasama natin yan. And very excited kami to share this journey again with you. At syempre, ang target natin guys, gusto ko ako mismo personally makakit sa stage ng Front Row at maging part ng Millionaires Club. Okay? That's the goal, and yun yung story na gusto kong ikwento sa inyo. Isama kayo. So, ayun. Alright? Malaking parte sa atin ng network marketing. And to be part of Front Row, of course, with Congressman, we are very honored na na-meet natin siya in person at makakasama namin kayo sa negosyong ito, guys. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Iwan pa lang to. Tinan nyo na lang after a few months, few years from now, kung nasaan na ang Front Row. Okay? At kasama tayo. Okay, guys? Enjoy nyo to.